Welcome to BIMS TV. I'm Xavier Cunningham, and this is BIMS Bites. Today, I'm going to be biting into immortal jellyfish. They just don't die. Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought to yourself, if only I was 20 years younger? I haven't. But if you have, then you may be very jealous of my friend the immortal jellyfish. Yes, you heard me right, immortal jellyfish. In the field of biology, it's often taboo to mention immortality. After all, every animal is born, grows up, and dies. It's how Mother Nature keeps her populations in check. Well, Mother Nature ain't gonna like this. Get this. The immortal jellyfish ignores all of that and just doesn't die. Now, you may be saying to yourself, well, I don't want to die. What's their secret? That's what I'm here to talk to you about today. Strap in, everyone. We may be closer than ever to finding the lifetime warranty on life. First, let's talk about the life cycle of a jellyfish, or as the scientific community is moving to call them, sea jellies. A Medusa, no, I don't mean the Greek mythological petrifying snake lady. I meant the most recognizable form of a jellyfish, fertilizes eggs. The eggs then turn into a small blob that attaches itself to a solid structure. It then grows into a polyp. A polyp will soon grow frilly hemispheres that will later become the bodies of medusas. The form they take before the ephyra, the small medusa, is called the jelly stack. I know, real creative. After a period of time, the ephyra are released into the water, and after eating a lot, they become medusas. Now that we know all of this, let's talk about how the immortal jellyfish changes things up. When the medusa... Well, I guess the name fits a bit better this time, is immortality, and Medusa's immortal. When the Medusa finds itself starving, damaged, or under some sort of environmental stress, most species of sea jellies will just die. Instead of dying, the immortal jellyfish Medusa will regress in size and development, and instead of becoming an ephyra, it will attach to the seafloor and become a cyst. The cyst will then spend around 3 days developing back into a polyp and restart the whole process from there. Because of this unique life cycle, the immortal jellyfish can theoretically live forever. Now, the implications of this discovery are huge. Somehow the immortal jellyfish can de-age itself and essentially restart its life. Scientists are working now to try and figure out just how these brainless masses of cells are able to do what they do, so humans can also do the same. One of the basic concepts that they have been able to figure out is that somehow the DNA of these sea jellies are able to preserve the telomeres at the ends of the DNA. Telomeres are like caps you put on the end of a strand of DNA. They keep the DNA from degrading over time. The degradation of DNA due to the loss of telomeres during transcription was one of the many reasons why immortality was previously thought to be impossible. Having said all that, there comes one last question. What now? Outside of waiting, there's not much else we can do. If you find the opportunity to support labs working on this research, that can always help. One notable lab I came across in my research was the Real Immortal Jellyfish Lab in Texas A&M. But most importantly, like all our ocean-faring species, keeping the environment clean will help keep them around for much longer. So, in conclusion, what did we learn? Well, we learned that immortality is theoretically real, that immortal jellyfish have the ability to live through puberty as many times as they like, and that one day you may be able to do the same thing. Probably. Possibly. Maybe. Anyway, I'd like to thank BIMS TV for letting me share my knowledge with you all. And with that, I'll see you later.